Hello everyone, so on this video we will learn how we can integrate our PLC with an SNTP server in order to always keep our real-time clock up to date. So let's take a look on this network architecture here. So in our case, our PLC will be pointing to an SNTP server which is hosted on the internet. So your PLC needs to be connected to the internet. Here I have my internet router which lays on an IP address. Your PLC IP needs to be on the same network as your internet router, and your PLC gateway needs to be pointing to your router's IP. So the same IP of the gateway, the PLC gateway, it must be your internet router's IP. So let's go back on MasterTool and enable the SNTP servers by going here on under the configuration. You can check out your PLC model. Here is my XP340. Double click on it and select the Synchronism tab. Here on the Synchronism tab, you can enable the SNTP server, and here you can have your first SNTP server and your second SNTP server. Here I have some IP address of SNTP servers that are hosted here on Brazil. You can see that I select my first SNTP server as this address, 200.160.7.186, and my second SNTP server is the second SNTP server that are listed on this image. Okay, so now I can log into my PLC so we can test if the PLC is synchronizing its real-time clock with the server. So now I'm logged into the PLC. Let's open the clock configurations, the clock settings of my PLC. Here you can see that my PLC date and time is correct, it's up to date. So let's try to mess around with the PLC RTC a little bit. So if you see that when the PLC synchronizes with the server, it will update our PLC date and time. So let's write 1st of January of 2000 into the PLC date and time. So let's write this to the PLC. You see here that it changed its date. So let's wait for the PLC to synchronize with the SNTP server. So it's synchronized. So you can see that it automatically changed its date. So the PLC will periodically update the RTC based on your SNTP.